Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. This is where passcode controls live. Enter your current device passcode when prompted. This proves you own the phone and unlocks the change options. Once done, you'll see options to change or turn off the passcode. Make sure you're on battery or connected to power. Changing security settings is fast, but you don't want the phone to shut off mid-process. After authentication, tap Change Passcode and follow the prompts. You'll re-enter your current passcode first. Next, decide why an alphanumeric passcode is strongest, 6-digit is a balance, and 4-digit is least secure but faster. Tap Passcode options to pick the format, then type the new passcode carefully. You'll be asked to verify it once more so the phone confirms there were no typos. Make sure the new code is memorable, but not easily guessed from your personal info. Once you verify the new passcode, lock the device and test unlocking right away to confirm success. If Face ID or Touch ID stops recognizing you, re-register your face or fingerprint under the same settings. Biometric data may need refreshing after a passcode change. If you enter the wrong passcode too many times and are locked out, use Apple ID recovery options or connect to Finder or iTunes to restore a backup. But note, restoring may erase device data if you don't have a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.